Alright guys, it's a Friday afternoon. Just finished my last class back at Siem Reap, of course. I had a regular schedule yesterday and today. I'm waiting for my 1 hour nightly class to start. This is the intersection. School's right down that way. And this is like an intersection. And I'm assuming that's why people go down that way. Because it's like the only road that goes to the main highway. They just kind of cut through here to the paved street. Sitting over here in this little store, picking up some things to drink. I am smoking a cigarette, so I'm stepping away from that. That is, of course, gasoline in those bottles. Pretty cool, man. Bikes you can just pull up, get as much gasoline as they want, right out of an old whiskey bottle. Probably not the safest thing, but you know, it is what it is. Saturday classes should be starting up again pretty soon. I'm not sure when. I haven't heard anything, but I hope soon. Our lovely teacher Helen, she decided to pursue other teaching opportunities here, so she's no longer with the school. But of course, we wish her all the best wherever she winds up. It's best if you just do what makes you happy, and if you're not happy where you're at, then you just leave. No hard feelings. But we are in need right now of a teacher to cover her students from 7:30 till 10:30 and 1:30 to 4:30 in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. So if you happen to be in Siem Reap and you have a TEFL certificate and you're a native speaker, feel free to contact Camlin Language Academy. We can might be able to hook you up with a job there if nobody else takes it in the next few days. So I just thought I'd put that little advertisement out there. And yeah, walk down that way, see if I can get something to eat. I got a couple hours before my class starts. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, found a place to eat. Sorry there was no before picture. I was hungry. But there's a half from Single. She's not quite done with her noodles yet. I love these little places, man. They're affordable. $1.25 a bowl of noodles. Get to sit right out here next to a busy intersection, but still got a good vibe to it. Nice. I like it out here. I want to thank one of my subscribers. It was really awesome. You know who you are. Thank you for the awesome donation. I always appreciate when people see that, seek it out, and use it. It's always appreciated. Always. Hopefully we'll be seeing each other in person soon. We'll go out, have a few drinks, and talk about our lives here in good old Siem Reap. But I did want to say thank you. I appreciate it, as I said before. So anyway, still got like an hour and a half to kill. Maybe do a bit of a walk around. I haven't done that in a while. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, it's now Saturday. I guess I didn't have to work. I was told that somebody would be calling me if they wanted me to come in. So I guess we're not going to start the weekend classes. This is the spot we normally walk down, right down here. But as you can see, they're putting in new tiles, doing some nice sidewalk work, which it desperately needed. There were a lot of spots down there that could trip you up if you weren't paying attention or you stepped on it wrong. I'll show you what they did on the other side. It looks really nice. They not only fixed the existing sidewalk, they expanded it, so now it's a nice big wide walking place. And it looks like they're doing the same thing over here on my side, which is going to be really, really nice when it's done. The problem is that at night in the evening especially, you have a lot of people who like to walk and they like to jog, but then you also have the people like me who are just meandering, you could say, and you can't really walk side by side with somebody because there's just too many people. And like I said, the condition of some of the sidewalk is not especially advantageous. So you have people walking or running in the streets to avoid that. So this is really going to help, I think, especially if they did it like they did on the other side over there. Like I said, we'll get over there and I'll record a little bit of that to show you how nice it looks now. Unfortunately, I don't have any before video of that. I mean, I do. Some of my previous videos I have taken a walk on the other side of the river there, but I didn't specifically point out the sidewalk or anything. But if you look back at some of that, you'd be able to see what it looked like before and what it looks like now. Oh yeah, there he is. There he is. This dog here. Oh my goodness. That is the friendliest dog I've ever encountered here in Siem Reap. We were sitting on a bench one day just last week and he came up to me. He just came up to me and just started wanting to play, wanted me to pet him. Very friendly, not shy, not aggressive. And he has a collar that has two little bells on it. At least he did. I didn't hear the bells when I just saw him. So I assumed he was lost. I posted in a expat group to see if anybody had lost their dog. I assumed he was lost, that he had a human owner because he was not shy or skittish about coming up to people. He would just walk right up to them. But apparently, I was just told by my buddy that he's seen him here for about a month, and this is kind of where he hangs out with a couple other dogs sometimes, and he just gets attention from all the tuk-tuk drivers and other people here. So now I guess I just have to think that at one point he did have an owner and they either abandoned him or he got away and they have not found each other yet. Which is kind of sad. But yeah, new buddy down by the river. Anyway. Least I can do is go to the store, see if I can get some dog treats. Make sure he's got something good to eat so he's not rummaging through the garbage all the time. Of course, he likes to swim in that river, so my clothes will smell like river water after I'm done playing with him. But that's alright. Anyway, no special plans for today. We are just doing the normal walking around. Probably head down by the old market. I think we need meat. I think we just ran out of meat. Maybe pick up some pork, some chicken. Few more veggies. Yeah, this is a good month for holidays. We got Monday is another holiday already. Just had Chun Ben this last week for 3 days. Monday's another holiday. A week from Tuesday is another holiday. And the following Monday after that is another holiday. So there are 6 holiday days in this month. Extra time off from work. The only thing that sucks is I don't get paid for those days. So I'm going to be missing a week on next month's check. But still, it's nice to have the time off. Here, let me show you this a little bit so I can show you what I mean. This is what they did here. with the sidewalk on this side. They're still not finished, of course. They still got things to put in, as you can see. Got dirt. But look at this. They made it really nice and wide, so people can jog and people can also walk. Before it was just right here, just this little part. This is how wide it was. And they expanded it. And they did it all the way down to the other bridge down there, which is pretty far. I hadn't been down here in a while, so I was surprised when I saw that the other day. But a lot of construction going on over on this side. So hopefully they'll get that side looking the same way. It will be nice. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, guys. Up here on this little side road, I just want you to know, if you do come here and you do get a craving for some Western style food, there are options available. Right over there, as you just saw, we have the KFC. One of, I want to say two. I think there's two KFCs in town. Yeah, I recall seeing one closer, also down by Pub Street. I believe they have a KFC. And this is the new, over there, the new Burger King that just opened, right on the corner. So there are definitely options if you are in the mood for some good old Americanized junk food. You can get your fix of greasy burgers, greasy chicken, or what have you. I have not eaten at either place yet, so I cannot tell you the quality of price. Judging from the menus and the ads on the outside, it's about the same price as you would expect to pay back in America. So of course it's not the cheapest option, but you know, everybody gets a little hungry for a taste of back home sometimes. I'm sure at some point I will be eating a Whopper value meal. Not today though. You can come down here and get all manner of suitcases, bags, all kinds of bags. Lots of bags here, lots of bags. You can hire a scooter, you can get some flip-flops. Hello! You can rent a scooter, you can rent a bicycle, you can rent a tuk-tuk if you want. They will gladly, for a price, take you anywhere you would like to go. Yeah, this is not usually the way we go, but because we took that shortcut so I could show you the new sidewalk, we went the way, that's kind of roundabout way to get down here. So I figured I'd show you that little part of town. Like I said before, man, Siem Reap is not, I mean, it's big, you know, it's not a small city, but it doesn't appear to be that large. I mean, there are some areas that will take you quite a bit of time to walk to and from, but over here, everything you could possibly want is within walking distance. And I never saw any. Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Right.
Anything you could possibly want is within walking distance. But then again, so as somebody once said, everything's within walking distance if you have the time. So they got a point. Some people probably will probably not like, you know, walking 20 minutes just to go get some food and then carry it back home another 20 minutes, but for me that's not a big issue. And if it does start raining, which it looks like it might do, then I'll simply grab a tuk-tuk so I don't get soaking wet. We did not bring the umbrella. We did not bring the umbrella. And over here is where I can pick up some school supplies if I need them. And I do, there are a couple things I need for the kids. I want to, she keeps trying to trip me back here. Look, she's cold. She's actually cold. She's all bundled up like it's winter time here. The sun's not out, so she's freezing. But I do need some things. And they have these great stores down here that sell all manner of school supplies right there. You can get anything you need inside there. It's like a big warehouse, almost. Well, not a big warehouse, like a small warehouse. They got all different kinds of papers, markers, books, different things you can print out for your students. They got toys, you can buy them. Right there. You can print things out. I just need some file folders. I just have to decide how many I need. I'll probably just buy a pack of 50. It can't be that expensive. That way I know I have enough. Okay, just thinking to myself. We're on our way up to the market, by the way. Like I said, we were talking. Yes, we do need meat and some vegetables. So go up here and pick up our supply for the week. This is down by Pub Street. The further you get to this area, keep in mind the more expensive things will get. Not by a lot most of the time, but it will be higher. That $1.25 bowl of noodles you can get further on back the way we just came will now cost you anywhere from $1.50 to $2. And here it comes, the rain. Yep, I knew it was gonna happen. Yeah, we got some fruits going on over here. This is a brand store. T-shirts, $4, $3. You see these trucks all over town for the CTV digital services. They always got cartoons painted on them. I've seen a few of them. They're all painted different things. Pretty cool. And it's starting to rain, so I'm going to end this one here. I just thought I'd show you what I'm doing on my day off. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll talk to you guys later.